Hello everybody, my name is Soumya. I'm a psychic reader. So today I'm going to do a pick a pile reading over here. So what's next ahead for you in the first half of 2025, which is from December to March, what's coming ahead for you. Okay, so I'll be shuffling here two cards in front of you. You have to choose from one of them. Spirit, please guide me. What Palwan need to know for their next venture of 2025? Spirit, please guide me. What Pile need to know for their venture for 2025? Spirit, please guide me. What Pile need to know for their venture of 2025? Okay, so I'll keep these aside. Okay, so I have got here pile 1 is come to an edge, number 36. Hope you can see it. And you can see these choose a pile in my thumbnail, and you can choose your pile over there. And over here we have pile 2 by the book, which is number 11. Okay, so here is pile 1 and pile 2. So let's start with our pile 1. Those who have chosen come to an edge with number 36. I do feel you can be in the age of 30s, you can be running in 30s or 30 and the above. If not, like you can be 36 years old, 35 to 36, 30s mostly. Okay, and you are at the point like you are making a decision where you have to just go with the flow now. Okay, whichever direction you will be choosing, you will be risking it and you will be going with the flow. I'm channeling this energy. Okay, now let's see what is ahead for you in 2025. Okay, we'll take our cards. So Spirit, please guide me what is coming for pile 1 for 2025 in the first half of 2025. What is coming for pile 1? So here is the moon. Your first energy is the moon. So I feel you are mostly deeply thinking right now about something. Things are hidden right now and you have to make a quick decision where things are hidden currently for you. I'm channeling this kind of energy. Like all is dark upon the star and the moon, like crescent moon. I'm channeling like you will be taking some decisions and you are in a deep thinking where you will be making some decision and taking some footstep. Okay, and you will be just moving ahead now. I'm channeling this energy for pile 1, but I do feel universe is keeping things hidden till 2025 of January for you. Okay, if you are in a fair, try not to be in a fair. Okay, I am channeling lot of fear, lot of deep thinking and lot of like hidden energies. So Spirit, please guide me what is coming for pile 1 till starting of 2025. 10 of Swords. So I do feel in 2025 you will be ending up with your karmic cycle. You will be ending up with the pain, whichever pain you have carried on you. You are in a fair literally, like you should move ahead or not, what will happen next, because you are carrying lots of pain and I'm channeling that pain. It's like hitting you a lot. You can have a back pain. Okay, pile 1 for some of you, not everyone, but you can have the back pain problem. So I do feel like you have to release that pain to move ahead because you are in a totally fair energy still in 2024. So, Spirit, please guide me what is coming for pile 1 in 2025 of starting of 2025. So, here is the world. I do feel with Ten of Swords and the world, I do feel you are ending the chapter and you are in the era of the completing the cycle. And yes, you will be transforming a lot, okay? And you are in the urge to start a new chapter now, okay? There is a karmic cycle at ending for many of you, okay? You will be getting some help, okay? Help from your friends, help from your family, your own family, and your own close friends. Basically, I'm channeling this energy like help is coming. So, Spirit, please guide me what's coming for pile 1 in 2025. So, Ace of Cup. I do feel your past has gone. If you are waiting for your past, okay, don't wait for your past because I do channel over a new love, okay, which is bringing a wish fulfillment, which is coming like an energy of like giving more. Okay, if you I'm channeling like you haven't got any like giving energy in past, so your inner strength has been destroyed. Your inner love in you, that sexual energy in you, like feminine sexual energy, that has been ended up in you. Okay, so I do feel this new love is coming with an offer over here, and this is not something like casual. I'm channeling like this is coming with the person who will be deeply thinking about you equally, and this person is carrying lots of feminine energy in them, and they will be offering you this new cup of love. Okay, now it's in you, you want to take it or not, because you are in a complete search journey. Okay, in 2025 I do see a new love coming up. There is a reward coming up to you and you will be healed. Okay, in 2000 starting of 2025 you will be healed a lot. You will be getting out of the fear. Okay, there will be coming help regarding finances. There will be a collaboration coming up. So, Spirit, please guide me. What is coming for 2025 for pile 1 for starting for the 2025 for pile 1. Okay, solitude, again hermit. So you are in a search currently. As I said before, you are in a search. You are searching the light, okay, and you will be definitely getting it. And here is a patience. Universe is saying you like you have to stay patient. Okay, within 14 days I'm channeling like 14 days or 21 days. There is a change coming up in your life, and you are feeling deceptive totally. I feel you are feeling deceptive, like your person has been kept you on deceptive mode. You have been like totally feel betrayed on past. So there are like things hidden, but it will be soon coming up, very soon coming up to you. And this will be happening very, very soon, like in the chariot energy. I'm channeling like how Arjun goes and like he just keep on going to win his victory. So I'm channeling this energy right now, okay? And don't go on to mental conflict pile 1. I do feel like things will be getting very much alright. You are meeting your new love, you are getting your reward. There is a help coming up for you in starting of the 2025. Okay, so number 9, 14, number 7 can be relevant to. Okay, you can see lots of 7, 7. Okay, so yes, so this was your energy pile 1. Hope this resonate with you, and don't forget to follow me and subscribe my channel Psychic Soumya and Psychic Soumya 11, and hope it makes sense to you guys. Okay, so let's go on with our pile 2 reading. Okay, those who have chosen number 11, buy the book. I feel thing will be slowly taking a turn in your life. Like I do see like a desert, like mostly elephants, like I'm channeling. They are in the search of water with their family or kids. And I do feel like there is a search going on right now in your life. You can see lots of 11 number. 11 can be a birth date. Okay, 11 you can see a lot. Okay, now let's see your energy for 2025, for starting of the 2025. So Spirit, please guide me what is coming for pile 2 in the starting of 2025. Death, transformation. I do feel you will be having a big transformation on the starting of the 2025 till December till January. You are having a big shift. Okay. I also feel if there is a death around you, or there could be a death of the pet. Okay, sorry to say this, but I do channel this energy right now. There is a change coming up in your life where I do feel your pet will be giving you a blessing. Your people or person who is going through a bad timing right now, they will be giving you a blessing of the transformation in your life. Okay, and you are leaving lots of things behind. You could have lots of trauma in the past. Okay, so Spirit, please guide me what is coming for pile 2 in starting of 2025. Okay, too many energies. Beautiful. So here is 4 of Swords, Ace of Swords, and the Magician. I do channel like with the transformation. You are in the mode of surrendering. You are in the mode of giving up in the starting of 2025 with the 4 of Swords. I do channel this energy like you are giving up by 2. Okay, and with the Ace of Swords, I do feel once you give up, once you surrender, you are getting that clarity. There is a breakthrough coming up, and whatever you have been manifesting, that things will be revealing up to you in starting of 2025. I do feel there is a miracle coming up in your life in 2025, and like you are attracting a person who is a magician themselves. You can be also a magician, you can be a witch over here, or a tarot reader, psychic reader. Okay, this is a general reading, so take how it resonates with you. And yes, so whatever you are manifesting, that things will be coming up in front, like a truth, like a clarity, and like a happiness. I'm basically channeling a happiness, like you are in the search of the happiness and you have given up pile 2, and you just thought that you should leave things behind and you should focus on transforming yourself. You should move ahead. Okay, and I do channel for pile 2. Whatever load you are carrying, you have to let go, as I do see a good person coming up in your life who is magician themselves, and who have that nature of not tricking you in a bad way. They will trick you in a good way. Okay, they will offer you lots of love, lots of clarity. Okay, and you will get clarity. You will be getting clarity from this particular person. Okay, so Spirit, please guide me what is coming for pile 2 for starting of 2025. So 9 of Swords. So I do feel you need to let go. As I said before, you are carrying lots of load. Okay, so you need to let go, out of your past, and because these demons are just troubling you, so you have to break that pattern of demons and go on the energy of light. Okay, you are holding on power, pile 2. So spirit, please guide me what is coming away for pile 2 on starting of 2025. You don't have to get anxious or in nervousness, or I do feel you are having a sleepless night, pile 2. So definitely I do feel there is a miracle coming up. Don't be tensed. Just you will be just letting go a lot, and you will be surrendering many things in 2025, and you will be start getting clarity by the January itself. Okay, by 1 month itself. So spirit, please guide me what's coming for pile 2 in starting of 2025. So here is page of cups. Okay, you are getting the offer. Ooh, I'm so happy for you, pile 2. So beautiful. I do channel, there is a celebration coming up. You will be having an event. You are getting some offer. This is like a childlike energy coming up towards to you. Okay, also I do feel you will be in a childlike energy into starting of the 2025. You will be unavailable for many people out there, okay, who have been disturbing your aura. So yeah, you have decided to just walk away. And yeah, there is a celebration coming up for you. You will be having your own celebration. You can have your own birthday, you can have your own engagement, or like ritual ceremony, marriage. I'm channeling this kind of energy for pile 2. In the search of gold, you are getting that diamond now, pile 2. Okay, so let's see more what your spirit guides needs to say for 2025 of starting. Spirit, please guide me what is coming for pile 2 on starting of 2025. Universe. So spirit, please guide me what is coming for pile 2 on the starting of 2025. Spiritual strength, number 9. Beautiful transformation. As I said before, you will be having a transform, and yes, I'll take these messages. As I said before, you are having a union and reunion also. There is a celebration coming up. There is a confirmation. See guys, 2, 3, like 4, stability. There is an energy of stability coming up. If you have lost hope, don't lose hope. Okay, just try to surrender. Okay, universe is with you, and you will be gaining lots of spiritual strength on 2025. There will be like awakening happening in your life, and you will be getting some unexpected news, and your intuition will be guiding you a lot for this person. This person intuition will be very high, and they will know what you want, so they will provide you what you want. As you guys are spiritually united with each other, you can be a soulmate or twin flame. Okay, you have done a lot of work. This is kind of love reading, giving me love vibes a lot. Like both of the piles are giving me love reading more. So you can see lots of 224499. I do feel there is a wish fulfillment coming up for you. Your cycle is about to change, pile 2 on starting of the 2025. Okay, and there is a rejoice and celebration coming up in your life. You will be having your own event, or you will be a part of the event very soon. Okay, so like 2 to 3 months, I'm hearing 2 to 3 months. In 2 months, boom. So this was your reading. Hope it resonates with you. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe my channel Psychic Soumya, and hope it helps you. Until see you next time. Bye bye.